How to sync iPhone calendar with Google Calendar both ways. Hey guys, in this video, we will see how to sync iPhone calendar with Google Calendar both ways. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll down and tap on Calendar. Next, tap on Accounts. Here, tap on Add Account. Then select Google from the list of options. You will be asked to enter your Google email address. Type it in and tap Next. After that, enter your Google account password and tap Next again. Once you're signed in, go back to Settings and tap on your Google account. Here, find the Calendars option and turn the toggle switch off, then turn it back on. Now, return to the main settings screen and tap on Apple ID. Check that your account settings are correct, then go back to the home screen. Next, open the Calendar app. Here, tap on the Calendars button at the bottom of the screen. Tap on Add Calendar to add your Google Calendar. Follow the prompts to complete the setup. After that, go back and open the Google Calendar app. Ensure that the toggle switch for syncing your email address is turned on. Finally, grant any necessary permissions for accessing your contacts and calendar. Once all these steps are complete, your iPhone calendar should now be synced with your Google Calendar both ways. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.